Google's about to shake up the Pixel lineup in a way we haven't seen in years. Not a subtle camera tweak, not a glossy new color. This could be the kind of upgrade that changes everything under the hood. Leaks are pointing toward a partnership that could finally let Google step out of its comfort zone and push the Pixel into true flagship territory. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. For a while, Pixels have coasted on smart software and camera excellence, but network performance has always been a quiet weak spot. Every new Pixel seemed to promise better connectivity, yet most stuck with the same old Samsung modems that left power users wanting. Rumors swirled around last year that Google might switch things up, but nothing changed. Now, however, multiple leaks suggest a genuine shakeup is coming with the Pixel 11 series pairing the upcoming Tensor G6 chip with MediaTek's brand new M90 modem. This isn't just swapping chips for the sake of it. The M90 is a powerhouse on paper, supporting dual active 5SI MIS, blazing download speeds up to 12 gigabits per second, and both sub-6 and millimeter wave 5G for the first time. A Pixel could even offer direct satellite connectivity. Meaning, you ever get that feeling that Google's been holding back, like there's one major upgrade they've been saving for just the right moment? Well, this might be it, because the next Pixel, for the Pixel 11, isn't just getting faster. Could finally fix one of the biggest problems Pixel users have been complaining about for years. And trust me, if this leak turns out to be true, it could completely change how Google builds its phones from now on. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you love staying ahead of the tech curve, make sure to hit like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more updates. We might be looking at the start of a long-term collaboration that shapes the future of the Pixel line for years to come. And here's the fun part: these leaks are the kind that make following tech genuinely exciting. We don't just get to see new colors or a slightly bigger battery, we get to speculate about what real, meaningful hardware improvements could arrive. Could this finally be the Pixel that competes with the absolute top-tier Android phones, not just in software, but in performance, connectivity, and efficiency? Only time will tell, but the possibilities are tantalizing. So, what do you think? Is Google making the right move jumping to MediaTek, or should they have stuck with Samsung? I want to hear your take on this. Drop a comment, and let's see which side wins. And if you want to keep tracking how Google stacks up against the rest of the smartphone world, I've got plenty more videos for you to check out. Catch you in the next one.